In this video, I will go over an example of a developmental network problem. Before we start, let's go over what developmental genetics is. Developmental genetics studies development and differentiation in different organisms. Development is regulated growth resulting from interaction of genome, cytoplasm, and environment, whereas differentiation is the forming of different types of cells, organs, etc. through specific regulation of gene expression. So basically, this is how do we get from a cell to a structured organism. In these pathways, we use an arrow to show when something is activated and a T-bar to show a repressing action. We are going to look at an example based on the Chronicles of Narnia. Here is the original sequence. Susan activates Lucy, who represses the Ice Queen, keeping her from repressing Peter, who activates Aslan. This is based off of the information found in the story because to protect the people of Narnia, Aslan has to win a war against the Ice Queen. He cannot do this without the help of the 4 humans. So when we look at our original sequence, what was to happen if the strand mutates? In the first sequence, we see if the strand lacks Susan, Lucy is never activated, which means Aslan loses the war and is not transcribed because the Ice Queen is not repressed. Next, we see that if the Ice Queen is gone, Aslan still wins the war and is transcribed because she is not there to repress Peter. If both the Ice Queen and Peter are gone, Aslan loses and is not transcribed. Even without threats from the Ice Queen, Aslan cannot win without activation or help from Peter. Lastly, we see that if Lucy and the Ice Queen are both missing, Aslan still wins the war, because even though Lucy is gone, Peter is still there and ready to activate and help Aslan.